Greetings from the opulent and eco-friendly travel of the future. Introducing the BYD Motorhome 2026, a revolutionary creation that combines BYD's expertise in electric vehicle technology with the incredible comfort of a motorhome. It is a unique design that embodies BYD's commitment to innovation with its sleek, modern shape, smooth, aerodynamic lines, and modern LED illumination. The motorhome's ocean aesthetics design concept, which draws inspiration from BYD's most recent passenger cars, includes solar panels on the roof for optimal energy efficiency. It is practical as well as stylish. A cutting-edge all-electric drivetrain driven by BYD's most recent Blade battery technology, which is known for its durability and safety, sits beneath this gorgeous exterior. Long-distance driving is made possible by the amazing instantaneous power and torque produced by two electric motors, which also have an amazing range and smoothly accelerate. When you arrive, you are greeted by a dashboard that blends the idea of a computerized cockpit. A digital instrument panel shows crucial driving information, and a sizable, intuitive touchscreen manages all entertainment, navigation, and motorhome features. A contemporary, environmentally friendly room might be created by combining soft touch, sustainable materials with metal or light wood accents. Utilizing every square inch of available space, the interior design is mostly modular and changeable. The couches and chairs' superb upholstery, swivel, and folding capabilities make it easy to convert the living room into a dining area or even an extra bed. Programmable LED ambient lighting adds a luxury touch and produces a range of mood-appropriate ambiances. The bedroom in the back is a peaceful haven. It features panoramic windows to take in the lovely views, comfortable memory foam mattresses for king or queen beds, and convenient storage. Your personal comfort and amusement are enhanced by a flat-screen TV and an integrated audio system. The design of the bathroom aims to be both opulent and practical. A modern shower with high water pressure, a stylish sink with an illuminated mirror, and a toilet with a water-saving flush mechanism. The highest level of comfort is offered by superior waterproof materials and efficient ventilation. With a huge freezer-equipped refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a well-integrated double sink, the kitchen is a gourmet adventurer's paradise. You can prepare delectable meals wherever you go thanks to the great worktops and lots of storage space. The BYD Motorhome 2026 is a mobile luxury house that runs entirely on energy and BYD's relentless innovation. Prepare yourself for an amazing journey. It is a platform for limitless exploration rather than merely a mode of conveyance.